is related to the knowledge and wisdom that we are talking about. There's knowledge is very important to be successful in any particular field. So how knowledge can be helpful to unleash your hidden potential also? How knowledge can impact it?
Very interesting question. Yes, knowledge is something which is the key to success in life. You may have all the good knowledge about things, and you need to know how to communicate that. So, for unleashing your hidden potential, also, it's important to read on that topic. It's important to chit chat with people, network with people who are in the who know how to unleash your hidden potential, who can help you. It can be coaches or mentors, somebody who has been there can help you. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You can just learn from them and then focus on the right path to success for yourself. Unleashing your hidden potential is all about getting that knowledge and making sure that you are able to act on that knowledge, because अगर सिर्फ knowledge ही ले लेंगे और उसका कुछ करेंगे नहीं, so it's of no use,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Action करना चाहिए. I think it's important to put everything you have learned, put it into action. And I always say this one thing to my coaches and to my people whom I'm training, etc., that whatever you want in your life, whatever things are stopping you from achieving that, try to face your fears.
Hmm.
बिकॉज अगर आप डर से भागेंगे तो डर आपके पास और भी ज्यादा करीब आएगा. So
Yeah,
you have to learn how to navigate that. You have to learn to embrace, to hug your fears. Yeah, so I think
okay.
that's very, very important to get that kind of knowledge. You have to first let go of the fear, do a lot of introspection, and find out what you really want. And if you want something and something is stopping you, then learn how to face that fear and get over it. It's a wonderful opportunity definitely to be on a platform like this, to reach out to more and more people with whatever we've learned in the past, how we can use the same experience and knowledge to motivate other people, to inspire other people. So I think it's a very good community we have over here to do that.
Okay.
Like-minded
So
people. So it's
yeah,
important
yeah.
to share knowledge with like-minded people